Excuse me, but you want to be a dad and make music at the same time. Well, these are the top 3 ways to do it. And believe me, by the time we get to the third reason, the third method, the third tip or trick or whatever you want to call it, you might be thanking me. Maybe I just made your parenthood a lot better. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Voyager himself, giving you tips and tricks along the way for your music career on the MPC, or maybe just about being a dad. Let me talk to my dads right now. Or mothers, dads. But seeing how the majority of my viewers are gentlemen, let me talk to the dads out there. Dad, first things first, you're going to have to understand that you are going to have to start changing your hours of operation. Yes, that child is going to disrupt every creative flow that you've ever dreamed of. But hold the phone, it's not the end of the world. Your career is not over. In fact, I feel like my music career just got efficient when a child came into my life. God bless me with an amazing daughter, Aria Bell, the sunshine of my life, whom is so much inspiration. Okay, bonus, you're gonna get very inspired from your children, so don't be afraid of having kids. It's not over. It's actually the beginning, and it's actually the greatest part of life, and it's actually going to make your music better. But you got to change your hours, right? Motorcycle man, you got to change the hours of operation. For me, I wrote my first album as a dad in this house on the MPC Live and the Akai Force. It was called More Success. It is called More Success, and it's available on all platforms. But that album has songs that were inspired by my wife and my daughter, and I had to change my hours of operation. Typically, in the past, I was more of I think I've always been a morning person. I think I've always preferred a morning studio session, even if I was going to book something at United, which I've done in the past. It was a morning session there. Or if I was going to work with a homie at Angel House, I have even contributed early hours there. But I'm talking early hours. I'm talking More Success. I was literally recording vocals for the entire album earlier than the typical studio session. I'm talking about like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. If you can wake up earlier than the rest of your family, then you don't have to worry about that creative flow. Now, you can still maintain a job, a 9 to 5, and get your child to school and already have recorded a whole song. An entire song, vocals and all, just by waking up earlier. If you change the time that you wake up, you can get anything done. In fact, what if you hit the gym before that? What if you hit the gym at 3 and then you are in front of the mic at 4? Imagine how dangerous you'd be. Mind you, it's gonna knock you out, and you're gonna want to go to bed earlier, but that's okay, because your children need to go to bed early too. You see what's going on here? Now, you're growing up. You thought that it was going to be hard to be a rock star with a child. But it's not, really, because it forces you on a schedule. And if you can maintain that schedule, it's going to make your creative time more efficient. And when you have those moments, those 3 hours in the morning, those 2 hours in the morning, that 1 hour in the morning, you are going to be razor sharp, and you're going to be like, yo, I got to get this done, and you're going to have so much focus. Trust me, just try it. Don't wait till the end of the day when you brought your kids home and then you want to start creating music, because why? They're needy. They need you. You know, read them a bedtime story in that moment. You know, I do try to play my guitar as a musician before bedtime arrives, just to give myself a sense of daily, you know, burning the oil on what I need to be working on. I do try to do that, but I definitely try to not miss that bedtime moment with my wife and my daughter, and I try to read that bedtime story because it's only going to make your music better. Point number two for my dads out there: how do you make music and be a dad at the same time? Well, get them involved. Get them involved. There have been times before when I've been YouTubing and being a dad at the same time. Is that another video? I don't know. Do you want to subscribe for more because this video was informative and maybe it helped you? I don't know. Do you want to do that? If you want to do that, hit the button. Otherwise, you need to get your kids involved when it comes to making music in the first place. Like I said, I've YouTubed before and had my daughter sitting right here. She was playing Pokemon on the Nintendo Switch, and I had my mic on and it was noise cancellation, and I got the video done. In fact, yeah, that's exactly how it happened. And the video was great. And a lot of you enjoyed it and left valuable feedback. And wow, you know, don't think that a child is going to stop you from your career. Don't think that. And maybe you can sample your child. Maybe your child can sing. Maybe your child wants to sit there and absorb what you're doing. There's an idea, Dad. Did you think that maybe if you pick up that guitar, you start playing that piano, maybe they're going to want to play the piano too? Did you ever think about that? I hope you thought about that. And what if in the long run, this amazing thing happens and you begin to produce a whole album for your child? And they want to be a rock star too. Can you imagine? Wow, just listen to my voice. Like that's like the perfect word for the world, of your world. That's like the perfect imagination picture in my mind's future memory. Anyways, get them involved. Can you get them involved? If you can't get them involved, can they sit there and just be distracted, but yet still absorb what you're doing? Maybe they're coloring nearby you. Maybe they're occupied on some homework nearby you, but you know what's going to happen there, mothers, dads, you know what's going to happen? They're going to be inspired, and they're going to start doing a little bit of that too. So that's a beautiful thing. Think about that. Now this last point is the truth, and it's the reality. How should I say this? Ladies and gentlemen, how do you make music and be a parent at the same time? Well, low key, you can't. You can't. You can't do it at the same time. That's number 3. You can't do it at the same time. It just won't happen. Let's be real. You gotta set time in your schedule for you. I know it kind of goes back to number 1. Perhaps it disregards number 2. But you need to set time in your schedule for when you can be passionately, unapologetically you. And then you should definitely think about setting time in your schedule when you could be unapologetically available for them. Because I promise you, more than you know, young Padawan, more than you know, Voyager, if you go to that park and if you take her down that slide and if she smiles and she laughs and if she giggles and if you pick her up and if it ain't too hot outside and you ain't sweating your ass off and ready to get out of there, ready to go home, it's time to go. If you're not ready for all that yet and you happen to find that moment of inspiration from your child, your music will be better. I promise you, your music will be better. Adjust your hours, get your children involved, and maybe at the end of the day, don't even try and do it at the same time. Be a dad when you can be a dad, be a mom when you can be a mom, and be the greatest musician when you have the opportunity. Check out that video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Love. Subscribe for more.